set up something in our calendar. Now, along the top, if you're in your community, right, scroll along the top and hit calendar. Now, you've got some ideas down here that you could actually use for your own community. These are only ideas. You don't have to use them, but hey, the idea's right. And for my type of community, I think the coffee half hour will do. Maybe get together and have a chat will do for my type of community. For this one, I run 2 communities. So Life with Autism and PDA, if you think about it, getting together to have a chat, letting steam off in a private community without being judged. That's massive, okay? That is huge. So I am going to set up, I think a half hour will be a bit long. So I just clicked on the coffee one. Yeah, I'll still roll with the hour. When do we want this to start? I'm going to give just plenty of notice, just leading up to this. And we've got school going back. Here in New Zealand, we've got school going back Monday. So I could possibly start the following week. If we could make it a Friday. And of course, I do everything through Skool. Come hang out, enjoy a cup of coffee with your following community members. No Pacific. Just hanging out. Yeah, I think that there for this type of community will do. For all members, absolutely for all members for this one. And then all we have to do is, you can change this actually. Actually, let's do that. Let's change it. Let's go into Canva. Let's go into Canva. And you can change it through the free account. You don't have to have the paid account with Canva. So, obviously the size would be, let's go to create. And the size we need is definitely YouTube thumbnail. It's waiting for it to load. And up here, we could just put like coffee or something like that. Let's see what sort of thumbnails come up. The ones with the diamond are the ones that you've got to pay for. So is there anything that's going to jump out at us for this particular community? Normally like bright colours and things like that, but alrighty. No, oh, this here. That there speaks. And of course, when you click on it, it brings you other options up down the side there. So even this one here alone would be all right. Yeah. we can go this way. If we can just, what do we call it? If we can just say, come hang. So the other thing you can do, you can just like copy paste like I'm about to do, and it saves a lot of time. Come hang. I'm just thinking if we just go come hang, maybe enjoy a cup of coffee with your following community members. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay because we can bring it down to size, so no stressing. All right, see, and they can still see it. Now we want to, I feel I need to add, because of the type of community it is, just hang out. Yeah, I'll just put that, just hang out. And sometimes it's all people need, right? It's just to hang out, especially at the end of the week. So depending on your community, and this is for the free community, so I think for my next tier I would dive in deeper on PDA, behavioural, fussy with food, things like that. But being free, you just keep the information shallow. So let me know your community in the comments. That'd be cool. And now we just need to hit share, and then we're going to download to the computer. And then we're going to shoot back over to our calendar. And then we're going to change the kitty cats. Hit cross, upload cover image. And we want this one here. Boom, there you go. And hit save. There you go. And then further down the track, you could open another day to your calendar and just set it for level 1, or click on here and you can actually set it at a certain level where they're at. And of course, your conversations will be different again. Or maybe you want to set it to members on above standard tier. Click it. Or maybe the premium or VIP. Again, your conversations will be different. Members in, welcome, start here. Rightio. And I do everything through Skool. So, okay, so what I had done here, just to show you, I want to go back. So I'm on the $9 plan. Okay, I can't access the webinar on the $9 plan. You have to have the $99 plan. And that's what this one here is for. There you go. See, the Pro plan, you will get it. Okay. So here, here we need to put in our time. Just trying to think with kids. Travel. Go 12:30. So I've got to travel a little bit for my children to go to school and pick up. So I need to allow travel time. So 12:30 will suit us. So there you go. And then you just add. And there you go. It's in there. Let's click it. So when your members get it, they should have it right now. They can click on it and they can add it to their calendar. Right, there you go. In which I haven't set up, but that's okay. That is okay. So there you go, my friends. Calendar set. Just remember, don't double book yourself, because this will automatically let your community members know this is working all the time, 24/7, it's working. So don't double book yourself. If need be, hold another calendar, link another calendar to here, to this calendar. You can do that through Google Calendar. You can link them together. So anything that you book here will automatically go into Google Calendar. So there you go, my team, my friends, and I'm looking forward to meeting and greeting everybody in my community here. This is our very first ever Zoom. So that's exciting. It is exciting. And for the nature of this community, I do have another community which I'm currently not holding nothing in my calendar as yet, but we are heading that way, very, very close. Now that I know what everybody is really wanting, I can concentrate on that. And that's important, when you get a community, dive in, listen, not always using this, listen to what they are wanting, okay? Because that's what your community is about. It's about community members, not always you. So I attended a community today. Nobody showed up. And when I say nobody showed up, the community leader did not show up. And there was no communications anywhere. There was nothing in the community. There's absolutely nothing. So I'm thinking, honey, if you don't show up one more time, I'm backing my truck out, because time, right? Everybody has a certain amount of time to spend in every area, especially when you're busy and you've got your own family. You're working and you're trying to build something online, right? So just be mindful of whatever you put in your calendar. Make sure you show up. Everyone have a blessed of a day. See ya.